Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Likewise, sir. I'm totally fine.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Charles Levin Consina. I'm currently residing at Tapuntuyan, City of Naga Cebu, and I am 24 years of age.
Okay. What program are you taking?
I'm taking nursing, and I'm already a third year nursing student at CIT University.
Okay. Sir Charles, can you tell me about your family?
We are five people in my family: my parents, my two sisters, and me in the middle.
Okay. What is your parents' name and your two sisters' name?
My mother's name is Mariche Consina, and my father's name is Michael Dennis Consina.
Oh,
And my two sisters' names are Sharla Faith Consina and Mary Kimberly Consina.
okay. Can you define your family, Sir Charles?
My family is a happy family, and we all live together and love spending time with each other. My family is very important to me.
That's nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play basketball and watch movies. Sometimes I also go out with my friends to relax and have fun.
Yeah, me too. I love to play basketball in my free time. Okay, Sir Charles. What do you usually do when you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and start my day with a short exercise. After that, I have breakfast and prepare to go to school. And I spend most of the day studying, attending classes. In the evening, I do my homework and spend my time with family before going to bed.
Okay. Why is having daily routine is important?
Having a daily routine helps me stay organized and manage my time well. It makes my life more productive and less stressful.
Okay. Do you think people spend enough leisure time?
I think many people are busy with work or school and don't have enough free time to relax, which is not good for their health.
Okay. Thank you for your time, Sir
Thank you,
Charles.
thank you.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, sir. Have a nice day too.